IVM.
Hi everyone, welcome to States of Anarchy. My name is Hamsini Hariharan and I'm your host. Every week on the podcast, I generally touch on themes in global affairs and foreign policy. Today, I have a big announcement. But before that, I have a story to tell you. 3 years ago, I realized that conversations about foreign policy, Indian foreign policy in particular, were happening in these very small circles of academics and policymakers. There are hordes of people interested in foreign policy. Why won't they be? Foreign policy is the exciting stuff of movies and TV shows. But in the public domain, all the conversations would be US centric. If they were about India, they would be about Pakistan and to a lesser extent about China. What I wanted to do was to create a space to talk about foreign policy in a nuanced way without going into any political binaries. So in late 2018, I got in touch with the good people at IVM Podcasts, who I'd already worked with for about 2 years when I was the co-host of the Pragati podcast. IVM was on board with the idea. Luckily, I got a grant to go to Washington during this time. I spent a month recording there on site. A couple of months later, in March 2019, we launched States of Anarchy. And the reception was wonderful. I moved to China in the interim and I continued to record podcasts from there. When the pandemic hit, my job actually became a lot easier because people were more open to recording online than they'd ever been before. And through this time, I'd get queries from students, from UPSC grads, from people who wanted to change careers. And even if I felt quite inept at giving advice, I found out that the podcast helped people get through schoolwork, it made commutes and household chores more interesting, and it even made people decide to pursue international relations as a career. Honestly, this is what has driven me over the last 2 years. If we're being honest, the last 2 years have not been easy on me as I soul searched for answers to life. So, States of Anarchy was also my way of making sense of the world. And what a world we live in. Donald Trump is no longer the president of the United States. Brazil is going through large scale mobilization against Jair Bolsonaro. The tide of populism that swept through the world over the last decade may be changing winds. But our world has changed in ways that none of us could imagine. The pandemic has exposed our worst fault lines as people and as countries. As the Chinese Communist Party celebrates 100 years of its founding, Britain is leaving the European Union. America is finally exiting Afghanistan as the Taliban extends its reach. International institutions have become weaker than they were ever before. Shipping can now go through the Arctic Circle as climate change is a certainty. India is also changing as a country over the last 3 years. Through the podcast, we captured a variety of topics, right from our first episode on the Bay of Bengal to episodes on elections, Indian history, relations with other countries, international organizations, climate change, all the way to our last episode on decolonizing theory. It's difficult to make sense of the world as you live it. With international relations, we often have to think about the long term. And sometimes, only decades later, can we understand what actually happened. But the best way to make sense of the world now is to be more aware, to read widely, and to read diverse voices and accounts. Reading is the best option, but I'm quite biased. We consume so much content every single day, and now we have podcasts and essays and videos that transform the way we think about the world. And I hope you keep up with it. The reason that I'm saying all of this is this. This will be the last episode of States of Anarchy for some time to come. The podcast is going on hiatus as I move to a different phase in my career that doesn't allow me to work on States of Anarchy at the same time. This does not mean the end forever. I'm hopeful that in a couple of years, I can come back and expand the mantle of the podcast with everything that I learn outside the recording room. To be completely honest, States of Anarchy has been my child and my constant companion over the last 2 years. I learn something on every single episode, and the podcast has shaped my identity as a woman working in international relations. My biggest regret is that we are so close to reaching 100 episodes, but will not be able to hit that milestone for the foreseeable future. But this just means I have something to look forward to after the hiatus. And even though I think of States of Anarchy as my baby, it has had an army of people to back it up. At IVM Podcast, Amit Doshi and Kavita Rajwade provided me with immense support as I navigated the medium. My producer, Sumit Pandey, and my previous producers, Abbas and Radhika, made sure that the podcast went out week after week. The wonderful sound guys, including Tejas, Vijay, Deep, and everyone else at IVM who make podcasting a wonderful and fulfilling job. The Takshashila Institution and the Independent Public Spirited Media Foundation provided us with funding for the first half of this time. My interns, Vikram Varma, Ayushmita Bhattacharjee, Vineet Vadavkar, and Kartikeya Reddy, at different times helped me with social media and some scripting. My own family and friends, of course, were my tireless cheerleaders, even when they had to put up with all my eccentricities. But of course, States of Anarchy would not be a good podcast if not for the guests who volunteered their time and patience in speaking to me. We had about 75 guests, half of them women, who graciously sat down with me to discuss their work and their views about the world. We also had a diverse range of guests, including diplomats, people from the armed forces, economists, academics, professors, journalists, think tankers, among others. And I'm grateful to have met all of them, to have learned from them, and to call many of them friends. The largest slice of my gratitude goes to you who are listening right now. Thank you for your support, your suggestions, your feedback, your praise. I hope you continue on your own journey of navigating international relations, and I hope you're able to make sense of the world. For now, I wish you joy. You can listen to past episodes of States of Anarchy on the IVM Podcast app or website, but also on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Castbox, Audioboom, YouTube, or whatever you're using right now. If you would like to get in touch with me on Twitter, my handle is @HumsniH, and on Instagram, my handle is @LadyBaritone. I'll see you all on the other side. Fir milenge. Zaijian.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Would like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Ciet, and Global Victoria. Thank you so much for making this possible. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by the hilarious and extremely charming illusionist and therapist Suhani Shah. They talk about different aspects of magic like sleight of hand, mind reading, mentalism, and more. The Habit Coach completed 500 episodes, 500, and Ashton has a special message for us on the occasion. Do check that out. We had Lekhini Desai, founder of the India Ethnic Company, talk to Varun Digarala about their story and the Hatke marketing idea that made them popular. On Naan Curry, Sadaf and Archit celebrated World Chocolate Day. They took us through the origins, history, economics of chocolate, and shared their memories. On Tere Mere Raste, Keshav Chaturvedi shares an interesting story from Leh. Check out an updated version of the Traveling Professor's Diary. It's now rechristened as Smarter with Sid. Same old brain filled with new stories and insights. This time, listening to know why you should keep things simple. And finally, check out Global Victoria Tech Talks. This one is in partnership with Global Victoria, the trade arm of the Government of Victoria and Australia. The edtech and gaming industries are booming in Victoria, Australia, and this series is meant to showcase that. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Working Monday to Friday glued to your chair making you feel dull? Worry not. Get your 5-minute weekly dose of travel around the world with Postcards from Nowhere. Join me every Thursday as I explore the strange, obscure, and fascinating parts of the world and bring out facets of travel you may not have thought of before. You can find us on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.